Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get right into today's video. First, I want to give a big thank you to Nail Reserve LA for sponsoring today's video. They reached out to me to see if I wanted to do a collaboration with them. I'm absolutely honored to showcase their gel polishes on my channel. Thank you so much. Nail Reserve LA gels are in 15 ml bottles. They are vegan gel polishes, and they did provide me with a discount code for my viewers to use on their website to save 50% off your order of 2 or more products. I'll be sure to leave instructions in the description box below. I was asked to choose 4 different gels to try out, but I received 5. Thank you for the 5th polish. I am so grateful. I was surprised to open the box and see Urban Pink in there. I chose the colors Sea Swing and Dance, a nice sheer nude color, Each Day, a pretty milky white color. And I'm always wanting to try new top coats, so I got a glossy top coat and a matte top coat. I'm always seeing these gel polishes being used on other ladies' YouTube channels, so I'm so excited to try these products out. I'm going to go ahead and swatch the colors for you. I'm going to do 2 coats and cure for 60 seconds in between each coat so I can get the full opacity of the gels. Then after they're done curing the second time, I will apply the glossy top coat to 3 swatches and the matte top coat to the other 3 to show you how they look side by side. I'll be sure to cure for 60 seconds when I'm done. Upon opening the bottles, I could tell right away there was no odor coming from the polish. They didn't have a bad smell at all, which is a plus. The consistency of this gel polish is so nice and creamy, and it leveled out so nicely after applying it. I really liked the bristle brush too. It made applying the gel so easy without streaking. Here's how the nails look with the glossy top coat. It is a no wipe top coat, which I love, and came out super shiny. It is on the thinner side, but not in a bad way. I would highly recommend this glossy no wipe top coat. Now for the matte top coat, I've always been wanting one that doesn't show streaks after curing, and I was so happy seeing how velvety this matte top coat made the nails. I never do matte top designs because I don't have a good one, but this matte gel polish from Nail Reserve is amazing. Thank you. Here's how the 2 different top coats look together side by side over the colors. Nail Reserve, your gels are so pretty. Thank you for this opportunity. I highly recommend you guys go ahead and check out their website. I'll have it linked in the description box down below. Now to get started with the nail design, I'll be using my long ballerina full cover nail tips from Makartt, and to prep my nails, instead of using a buffing block, I use nail primer, applying a thin layer. Then after it dries for about 30 seconds, I'll go ahead and use my Savvyland base coat in my Beetles gel polish bottle and apply a thin layer, then cure for 60 seconds. I'm going to use the color Sea, Swing, and Dance as the base color for my French tips. How I create my French tips is I paint the base color first and eyeball where I want my smile line to be. It doesn't have to be perfect, just create how deep of a French you want it to be, then cure for 60 seconds. After finishing all the nails, I'll go ahead and do the second layer off camera. Now I'm taking the color Each Day for the French tip, and I'll go ahead and put some on my nail art palette, and I'll be using my 20mm nail art brush. I got these both from Temu, and I'll be sure to leave that Temu haul video linked in the cards for you to check out as well if you haven't already. And now to paint the French tips, you always want to use a long nail art brush instead of a short one, because a longer brush makes it so much easier. Now just take the color on the palette with the brush and go along the smile line, then fill the rest in with the brush from the bottle, and after you've done all the nails, go ahead and cure for 60 seconds. Here's how the nails look after I added the second layer off camera and cured for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to go ahead and add one of these butterfly charms that I got off of Shein. If I can remember to find the link, I'll make sure to leave it down below. It's been a little bit since I got it, but I'll go ahead and leave that in the description box for you when I find it. And I'm also going to use my Model 1's rhinestone glue to go ahead and add the charm and my rhinestones. I'm going to be using my AB crystals today. And then I'm going to go ahead and just use my UV pin that I got also from Shein to go ahead and flash cure my butterfly in place. And after I've done all the rhinestones, I'll go ahead and put it in the big lamp for 60 seconds. Here's how the nails look so far. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my glossy top coat from the Nail Reserve collection that I got today, and I'm going to go ahead and apply a nice layer over all the nails, and I'm going to make sure not to go over the rhinestones because I don't want them to lose their shine. I just want to go just, you know, on the outside of them to seal them in, and as well as the butterfly, I'm just going to go around it and not on top because I don't want the diamonds to lose their shine. And after I've done that, I'll go ahead and cure for 60 seconds. I will file the free edge off the camera after they've been cured, and here's the finished look. I highly recommend using my link and code down below to purchase some gel polishes from Nail Reserve. These gels were such a wonderful experience to work with. They applied flawlessly. I can't wait to try more colors. Thank you again, Nail Reserve LA, for sponsoring today's video. And if you haven't already, those of you still here and you haven't subscribed, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure you like the video, and I'll go ahead and see you in the next one. Thank you.